2 at Franklin Primary in secondary school. Today, I'm very happy to tell you about my favorite sport, football. There are many interesting sports like basketball, volleyball, and so on. But my favorite sport is football because it's exciting, energetic, and fun to play. Every time I step onto the field, and I feel relaxed and full of joy. Football helps me stay strong, healthy, and more active. When I play, I can run, pass the ball, and work with my teammates to score amazing goals. Through football, I have learned teamwork, how to do my best in every match, and how to help each other. Playing football with my friends always brings me happiness and laughter. Football is not my only favorite sport, but also my good friend that help me become healthier and more confident every day. When I grow up, I will love football and keep playing to stay healthy and full of energy. Thank you for listening.
Hi, Fat. Now you listen and answer my question. Why do you like football?
Because it's exciting, fun, and helps me stay healthy.
Okay, congratulations. It's a place.